Hey beautiful babes, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And of course, if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this super cute highlighted wig. This hair is brought to you by Wiggins Hair Company, so I'm gonna show you what's inside the bag, how to customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that is something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this bag, I received a wig cap, an edge control brush, some eyelashes, and an elastic band. This unit is a whopping 24 inches long, 250% density. She is an ombre honey blonde unit. She also is a 13x4 lace frontal wig with a very natural hairline. This unit also has adjustable straps and combs. We're going to customize this wig using quick blue powder and 50 volume developer. We're going to mix that together to create a nice thick consistency. We're going to use our Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray. Spray that hairline back to avoid over bleaching. I let this bleach sit for over an hour. The knots did take a while to lift, but this is the next day, and as you can see, the knots are basically invisible. So here I'm just plucking this hairline. I did have to use some elbow grease in plucking this unit. I felt like the hairline was a little natural, but because this unit is so thick, it's 250% density, that I did have to go in and pluck this hairline some more just so it can have that natural looking hairline. I don't know, I said hairline like about 6 times now. But yeah, as you can see, still plucking. Yo girl had to put some elbow grease up in this. And don't forget to use your hot comb just so you can see where your hairline is looking. And now I'm just cutting a little bit of layers. I mainly cut some bangs into this unit and then left the rest long because I just felt like this unit was so beautiful. I didn't want to cut too much hair off. And then I'm using my Dark and Lovely blowout spray. This spray is so bomb to me, especially if you're getting ready to either straighten this unit or put pin curls in it, which as you can see, I'm putting some pin curls in this unit. A quick tip to when you are customizing your unit and styling it, only style the tracks and then style the frontal on your head, because the dome head is not equivalent to your head, if that makes sense. So yeah, only do the tracks and then finish the rest of the curls on your head. And now it's time to install this unit. I'm doing a ball cap method, but I found another song, so I'm gonna let you guys vibe out while I install this unit.
Hey, babe, look what the hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in.
hope you like that song as much as I did. As you can see, I'm melting this lace into my skin using my melting lace spray by Reesie Wigs. Definitely check that out in the description below. But as you can see, I'm just finishing up the curls on my head this time. Like I was stating in the customizing and styling part, like I like to curl the frontal on my head just because my head is shaped differently from the dome head, so you definitely want the curls to lay flat on your head. And then I'm just finishing it off with my Tresemme Ultra Fine spray in a level 3. Make sure you do it in level 3 or lower, just because you don't want your curls to be extra crispy. And then as you can see, I am working on my baby hairs, and I like to press out my baby hairs and then cut them after because they're a little crispy from that spray, so we want to loosen them up a little bit just so it can have that natural fluffy look. You guys love the fluffy look. And then I'm gonna take my pencil flat iron and just curl my baby hairs and then use an edge control brush. I do use the same spray, the Tresemme Ultra Fine level 3 spray, just to lay down my curls. Gel and mousse does not work for me. It's too water soluble for me. I don't know why it doesn't work for me, but it works for others. So yeah, everything is always going to be different from each stylist. But yeah, here I am going to take out my pins from the pin curls. One thing about the pin curls is it did get a little knotted, so just be careful with that. I ended up having to brush my curls out first and then use a wide tooth comb. And then here I'm just combing this hair backwards and letting the curls fall on top of each other. I just love the color at the top, the like highlights, and then it goes into a deep dark color at the bottom. But yeah, this is basically it, you guys. I love this quality of hair. Thank you so much, Wiggins Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you win.